Leadership is about transformation. Leadership is about making people think of what we all think is impossible and then make it happen.
If you look at today's organizations, they have become extremely complex. The problems are complex. The expectations of your stakeholders are very high. Can you maintain calm, equanimity in the face of extremely stressful situations?
Businesses oftentimes get surprised because consumers don't always behave in predictable ways. And I think that is the true test. You have to understand how your product fits into their life, not how their life revolves around your product.
How can we create the workspace such that it does not feel like people are working there, but people live there, they exist there, they ideate there?
Financial prudence is needed only in bad time, and it is practiced in good times also, so that if by chance next day if the bad time hits, your fences are ready to take care of it.
The education and the training we give to the manpower or the employee force has to be of the highest order.
Who is a Mitra? He is the one whom you can depend upon for all your problems. One who is able to mobilize resources that is required immediately. It could be money, it could be people, it could be contacts. Together we grow. It's not about me, it's about we. 1 + 1 is greater than 2. Together, you make it bigger.
Chanakya's teachings are relevant universally. There is a reason why Chanakya was called the kingmaker. So here is the starting point. What is a king? In the strictest sense of the word, the king is not relevant today. But each one of us is a king in our own kingdoms, in our own world.
Okay, so if each one of us is a king, that means that our office may be our kingdom.
It is how we govern it, how we rule it. We can actually make it or break it. There is a model, a context in the Arthashastra called as the Saptanga, the 7 pillars of a kingdom. They are Swami, Amatya, Janapada, Durga, Kosha, Danda and Mitra.
An exclusive toolkit culled out from ancient Indian management wisdom to bring a transformational change in your business, career and life. Featuring industry stalwarts representing the 7 pillars. Each one of us, irrespective of what level we are at in our organization, are responsible for our actions. Insights from Chanakya's Arthashastra by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, combined with the experience and expertise of these stalwarts, ensure that all aspects of today's business challenges are covered. Chanakya in You also includes this comprehensive 100-page manual. This workbook helps you introspect into the learnings from the toolkit. Go that extra mile to build and implement an effective leadership and management system on Chanakya's footsteps, and more importantly, to discover yourself, the Chanakya in you. Bonus features include Corporate Chanakya book and 3 audiobook CDs. To know more, log on to chanakyaspeaks.in or send us a mail at chanakyaspeaks@shemaru.com. Hope this offering brings meaningful success, health, wealth and happiness.